More than a year since COVID pandemic swept across the world, a large part of Europe is at the verge of the third COVID-19 wave. The continent is enduring a grim spring this year as the number of COVID-19 infections, hospitalizations and death are at an all-time rise. The continent faces third wave of deadly COVID-19 infections. The continent is wrestling with a more deadly variant in the third wave. With the vaccine programs moving at a slow pace and the new variant spread speeding up, France's President Emmanuel Macron announced the country's third nationwide lockdown, following which Prime Minister Jean Castex in the parliament said, "The epidemic is spreading fast and it's spreading everywhere." France currently is under lockdown with the numerous restrictions which include travel restrictions, school closures and night curfew from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. In the past month, the infections in France have risen up by 55%. In Italy, lockdown has been imposed in most areas from Monday. The citizens have been directed not to leave their homes unless for essential errands. Most shops will be closed along with bars and restaurants. Meanwhile, other countries on the continent like Germany, the Netherlands and Belgium are also facing dreadful increases in COVID-19 infections. The 2-week percentage growth of Netherlands is 48%, which is below Germany at 75%, and the worst is Belgium at 95%. Amid the sudden surge in COVID-19 infections, the usage of AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine was briefly stopped over the issue of side effects, following which the World Health Organization and the European Commission have urged the European nations to use the AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine. News Desk, Kaumudy English.